Hey, this is Matt Morissette with Coldwell Banker. Discover your dream home in the rolling hills of Foothill Ranch. Nestled on a tree-lined cul-de-sac street with no neighbors behind, panoramic views, this house has unparalleled privacy.
And I'm Tim Morissette, Matt's father. This home offers manicured landscaping, professional hardscaping with stone pilasters, planters, and walkways, and a private courtyard. Let's go ahead and take a look inside.
Step inside to an inviting open layout with high ceilings, abundant windows filling the space with natural light, and stunning custom staircase. Impeccable craftsmanship is evident throughout, with hardwood flooring, extensive wainscoting, plantation shutters, custom window coverings, French doors, upgraded light fixtures, and seller-owned solar panels. The remodeled kitchen includes granite countertops, stone backsplash, refinished cabinets, and a large custom window in the dining area. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, including a downstairs bedroom with French doors, ideal for overnight guests, and 3 full bathrooms with 1,672 square feet of living space. The primary suite offers vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, dual vanities, a walk-in shower enclosure, and French door leading to a private romantic deck. The vibrant backyard is perfect for indoor-outdoor living with breathtaking panoramic views. At this price, this home won't last long.